Hello everyone. Today we are here again with some questions which are very important for KVS, EMRS, some other recruitment exams for PGT Maths, EMRS, RRB PGT Maths, and also important for JEE Mains and Advance. So here is a question. Given the number of solution of under root 1 plus cos 2x equals to root 2 cos inverse cos x in the interval pi by 2 to pi. So we have to find out the number of solution. So first we have to check 1 plus cos 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x equals to 1 plus cos 2x equals to root 2 cos inverse cos x. Now 1 plus cos 2x equals to cos 2x, we know cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Again, sin square, we can change sin square into cos square. Sin square equals to sin square x equals to 1 minus cos square x. So this will become 2 cos square x minus 1. So 1 plus cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x. So we are replacing the value. So this will be 2 root 2 cos x. So actually this will be mod of cos x equals to root 2 cos inverse cos x. Since we are taking square root, so root 2 mod of cos x equals to root 2 cos inverse cos x. So root 2 cancel in both sides. So this will be mod of cos x equals to cos inverse cos x, where x is in pi by 2 to pi, that is in second quadrant. Now in second quadrant cos is negative, all sin tan cos. In first quadrant all positive, in second quadrant sin positive, in third quadrant tan positive, and in fourth quadrant cos positive. So in second quadrant cos is negative, so this will give minus cos x equals to, now cos inverse cos x equals to x in 0 to pi by 2, in 0 to pi cos inverse cos x equals to x, it will give only one value, and pi by 2 to pi is a subset of 0 to pi. So cos inverse cos x equals to x. So when x belongs to pi by 2 to pi, so this will give x plus cos x equals to 0. Now we have to find out the value, the solution of x such that x plus cos x equals to 0, where x is in the interval pi by 2 to pi, where x belongs to close interval pi by 2 to pi. Now if we choose the two end points, so for f, and if we write x plus cos x equals to fx, then f of pi by 2 will be pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2, which will give 0, and f of pi will be pi plus cos pi. Now cos pi equals to cos pi minus 0, that is minus 1. So pi minus 1. Now pi is 3.14. So 3.14 minus 1, that is 2.14, and this is also something greater than 0. So this is also greater than 0, and this is also greater than 0. So x plus cos x is equals to 0. We'll have no solution in this interval because fx will not be 0 in neither pi by 2 nor pi, and fx is a continuous function. Why? Now x plus cos x is a continuous function. X is also continuous, cos x is also continuous in the interval. So x plus cos x is also continuous function, and the end points, that is lower limit and the upper limit in pi by 2 point also f greater than 0, and at the point pi also f is greater than 0. So fx will not take the value 0 at any point of x for any value of x in this interval. So the number of solution in this case will be 0. Once again, I am repeating the same concept here. Here what we are getting, now x plus cos x equals to 0. From here 1 plus cos 2x, so this will give root 2 mod of cos x equals to root 2 cos inverse cos x. Now mod of cos x equals to cos inverse cos x, that will give minus cos x equals to x in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. What? Now cos x equals to mod of cos x equals to minus cos x in minus pi by 2 to pi. In second quadrant cos negative, we know that rule of sign. In second quadrant, in first quadrant all positive, in second quadrant sign positive, in third quadrant tan positive, in fourth quadrant cos positive. So pi by 2 to pi means second quadrant. In second quadrant sign and its reciprocal, that is cosec is positive, all other t ratios are negative, so cos x is negative here. So mod of cos x will be minus of minus cos x. What? Now it will always give the positive value, mod symbol is given here. So minus cos x equals to x. What? Cos inverse cos x equals to x. What? Now cos inverse cos x equals to x in 0 to pi, and pi by 2 to pi is a sub interval of pi to 0 to pi. So in pi by 2 to pi also cos inverse cos x equals to x, and from here we are getting x plus cos x equals to 0. So the main question now reduces fx, that is if we choose f x plus cos x equals to fx, then the main question will be fx equals to 0 in minus pi by 2 to pi. The number of solution of fx equals to 0 in minus pi by 2 to pi. Now if we check this, that the function fx is continuous. What? Now x is continuous, cos x is continuous, so x plus cos x is also continuous function. Actually this is a continuous function, fx is a continuous function. Now if we check the lower limit and the upper limit in this interval, the interval given here, that is pi by 2 to pi. So in pi by 2 point, f of pi by 2 is pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Now cos pi by 2 is 0. So this will give pi by 2, which is greater than 0. Pi is approximately 22 by 7 is approximately equals to 22 by 7, that is 3.14, which is greater than 0. And f of pi is to pi plus cos pi. Now cos pi equals to cos pi equals to minus 1, pi minus 0. So in second quadrant cos negative, so this will pi minus 1, that is 2.14, which is greater than 0 also. So this is also greater than 0, this is also greater than 0. At the two end points we are getting fx greater than 0, and fx is continuous also. So fx will not take the value 0 at any point in that interval. The graph will be somehow like this, whatever the graph may be. So it will not take 0 in this interval pi by 2 to pi. So the number of solution in this case will be 0, and this ends the question. Now we are with another question. The equation of the sphere circumscribing a tetrahedron whose faces are x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0 and a plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 1. So if we draw the figure, the x, y, z axis and a plane. So first, if we consider the tetrahedron, we need to find out the vertices of the tetrahedron. Now what will be the vertices of the tetrahedron? The intersecting point of the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 1 and the 3 coordinate axes. So the point of intersection will be a0, 0, 0b0 and 0, 0, 3. See, this is obvious, and the origin 0, 0, 0. Now what we need to find out? The equation of the sphere which circumscribes this tetrahedron. That means we need to find out the equation of the sphere passing through the equation of sphere which passes through the point 0, 0, 0, a 0, 0, 0, b 0 and 0, 0, c. Now equation of the sphere, general equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2fz plus c equals to 0. This is the general equation of a sphere. Now it passes through 0, 0, 0. So this will be 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square plus 2u into sorry, 2b into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0, which will give c equals to 0. And if we put the sphere also passes through a 0, 0, so this will be a square plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 au plus 0 plus 0 plus c equals to 0. Already we have got it. So from here also we are getting u equals to a square minus a square by twice a, that is minus a by 2, and also the sphere 1 passes through 0 b 0. From there we will get 0 square plus b square plus 0 plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into b plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Already we have got equals to 0, which will give b equals to minus b by 2. And in the same manner, if we put another point 0, 0 c in equation 1, we will get 0 square plus 0 square plus c square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus 2f into c plus c का value 0 equals to 0, which will give f equals to minus c by 2. Now my three unknowns parameters are u, v, f. C equals to 0 already we have got from equation 2. So now if we replace this unknown value, that is u, v and f, in original equation 1, then we will get the equation as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into minus a by 2 into f plus 2 into minus b by 2 into y plus 2 into minus c by 2 into j plus 0 equals to 0. So this will give our required equation of the sphere. So our required equation of sphere will be x square plus y square plus z square minus a minus by minus cz equals to 0. So my option D is correct. We are again going to solve another question. Here the question is the minimum value of 4 sin square x plus 4 cos square x equals to which one of the option. Now here we are going to use AMGM inequality. Here we know that AM is greater equals to AM greater equals to GM. So if two number A and B are there, then arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2 is greater equals to their geometric means, that is A into B whole to the power half, that is root under AB. Here we are going to use the same condition. So we are choosing here A equals to 4 to the power sin square x and B equals to 4 to the power cos square x. So what will be our AM greater equals to GM condition? So this will give us 4 to the power sin square x plus 4 to the power cos square x by 2 is greater equals to 4 to the power cos square sin square x into 4 to the power cos square x under root of this. Now this will give 4 to the power sin square x plus 4 to the power cos square x by 2 greater equals to 4 into 4 to the power sin square x plus cos square x, which will give this is 1. So this is greater equals to 4 to the power 1, that is this is greater equals to 2. 4 to the power sin square x plus 4 to the power cos square x greater equals to 2 by 2 greater equals to 2. So from here we are getting 4 to the power sin square x plus 4 to the power cos square x greater equals to 4. That means the minimum value of 4 to the power sin square x plus 4 to the power cos square x is 4. It is always greater equals to 4. That means the minimum value will be 4 or it will be greater than 4. So the minimum value, here the question is what will be the minimum value of this expression. So the minimum value will be 4. Now we are again with another question. The eigenvalue of the matrix 2 1 1 2 are 1 2 3 1 0 4 2 2. Here we are not going to find out the eigenvalue directly. Here we are going to use some tricks. Now what will be the determinant of this matrix? The determinant of this will be 4 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1, that is 3. Now product of the eigenvalues will be the, if product of the eigenvalues will be equals to the determinant of the matrix, determinant. So here from the option we are getting that 3 1 will be the only possible option, because in this case only the product of the eigenvalues is 3, which is the determinant of the matrix. So here we are not directly calculating, actually we are using some tricks. The tricks is the product of all eigenvalues lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 equals to determinant of the determinant of A. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix, then product of the eigenvalues lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 equals to data. And here it's the question ends here.